In this video, I'll show you how to calculate the overall CO attainment level for a given course. Before we start with this overall course outcome attainment level calculation, you are supposed to ensure that you have calculated COALs for 6 different cases: Minor 1, Minor 2, MSc 1, MSc 2, ESE, and also for the assignments. Once all the 6 files are completed, we can proceed with this overall course outcome attainment level. I repeat once again, the COALs of Minor 1, Minor 2, MSc 1, MSc 2, ESE, and assignments are to be completed before starting overall course outcome attainment level. So coming back to this KITS website homepage, in this academic section, in the outcome based education, at the bottom level you can find abstract of overall course outcome attainment level. Once you click this, you will get a zip file extracting this overall course outcome attainment level. You will find a normal Excel file here, a normal one. Once you open this particular file, you can find again 2 buttons here. So you can find 2 buttons here. 1 minute. Let me ensure that the unblock is checked, and I get to this file. I'll go to the start button here. I'll fill all my details here, the blue boxes here. This is my 8th semester, this is my triple E. And here you just leave it as BTech itself, ignore the one. This is U18 EE 802B. And here the date of examination, here you keep the date of the results on which the results have ESE have been declared, or otherwise you can keep some random date there. Now once you have completed this one, you go back to the second page here. Here you can see that this is an entry page for the different outcomes which you have obtained so far. If you can carefully see, these 6 columns, they are related to your teaching assessment, teacher's assessment, and these 2, MSc 1, MSc 2, are related to your midterm examinations, and this is your ESE, which is related to your ESE assessment. Now you need to enter all these details in order to obtain your final CO attainment. I'll show you A1, A2, CP, CRP. These first 4 columns, they can be obtained from the assignments COAL. Now this is my assignments one. If you carefully see, A1, A2, CP, CRP. I have obtained attainments for CO1, CO2, CO3, CO4. These are my attainments. Okay, so 0, 0, 3, 3, 4 3s and 4 3s. I'll mention the same here. 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Right. So whatever the data which I have obtained here, I am mentioning it here in this one. So all these 4 columns I can obtain from my assignments OBE report. Minor 1, I have already done this. I am just entering some random data. Minor 2 is related to CO3. Here I have obtained. MSC1 is related to CO1, CO2, and MSC2 is related to CO3, CO4. These you can find in your OBE reports. See, and minor 1, this is my minor 1 COAL. Sorry, this is my, this is my, this is my MSC1 COL. See, this is my 2000. I am supposed to go only 2 and 0. So I enter only for CO1 and CO2. CO1 and CO2 for MSC2 and 2. And here, for ESC, it is related to CO1, CO2 and CO3 and CO4. So once I have entered here, only these data is to be entered. Do remember, A1 is related to CO1, CO2, A2 is related to CO3, CO4. CP is for all the outcome, all the COs. CRP is also for the 4 COs. Minor 1 exclusively for CO1. Minor 2 exclusively for CO3. MSC1, CO1, CO2. MSC2, CO3, CO4. And ESC is exclusively for CO1, CO2, CO3, CO4. Once these are done, these will automatically get calculated, and this is your final course outcome attainment. Now, once you complete it, you can just print this page directly, or if you want, by the time you download this section, you can find this print overall outcome attainment will be available here as a button here. Or otherwise, you can directly print this particular page. This is a simple thing. Okay. So I hope now you are well acquainted with how to generate OBE reports with the Excel files which are already generated on these have been uploaded in our college websites. And there is one more video of how to or what to write in COAL and also CDAL, because both the documents look very much similar. As I can show you that this is a COAL for MSc1. See the documents here, COAL document. You can find the same content here. Even in CDAL also you can find the same content. So what is the difference between these two and what we are supposed to mention? That we can see in our next video. Thank you.